Besides OpenAI and ChatGPT, HighLevel is pretty much the most disruptive piece of software we've seen in the last 5 years. And if you don't believe that, I think you're in denial. And denial, by the way, is the first stage of grief. I know a few people who are grieving right now who belong maybe to another software community that won't be mentioned by name here. There are two parts to HighLevel and its affiliate program. First of all, the ability for you to refer customers directly to HighLevel and earn a commission for that. And then their actual affiliate software built inside of HighLevel that allows you to have other products that people can promote on your behalf, and you can manage payouts and all that type of thing there. But today I want to talk a little bit about the HighLevel affiliate program because I believe there's a lot of misconceptions going around. And the first misconception is that HighLevel's affiliate program is some sort of MLM or pyramid scheme, and that every single affiliate out there is just a complete snake and anyone who promotes it shouldn't be trusted. And honestly, I can see why people think this. Like, HighLevel has a cult following. There's tons of people that make content about it, and there's a leaderboard every month that talks about who the top affiliates are, and then you could go see what they're doing, and sort of like this MLM-ish culture sometimes. But I'll show you why it's not the case here. First of all, MLMs are famous for having like okay products that are just ramped up in terms of pricing and make absolutely no sense when you could just go to the grocery store and buy the shampoo yourself, for example. HighLevel, on the other hand, is a complete no-brainer at $4.97 a month, plus a little bit of usage fees that you can actually rebill to your customers, so you don't have to eat those costs. Nobody else did it as well or will do it as well as HighLevel's doing it, and it's the definition of a no-brainer offer. And while HighLevel does have its bugs sometimes, 99% of HighLevel's users who have actually used it for multiple years will say that it's a quality product and is built well. So that's a massive difference already. But what's really interesting about why HighLevel has their affiliate program in the first place was actually described to me by Sean Clark, the founder of HighLevel himself. And what he said was most software businesses similar to HighLevel are going to do things like Podium did. They bought this huge campus in Lehi, Utah, and they invested in ping pong tables and free lunch every day and all this sort of corporate stuff, and recruited all of these people right out of college to bang on the phones and sell as many Podium subscriptions as they can to as many businesses as they possibly can. And of course, in order to afford all of this, they have to raise millions and millions of dollars and give away a lot of the company for that initial investment. What Sean and his co-founders decided to do instead was, hey, marketing agency owners know marketing agency owners, and not only will we be able to get them to promote this software if we do a good job creating it, we're going to get them to help people stay on by encouraging them to maybe give bonuses or a little bit of personalized help when another agency signs on to our software. So yes, we're giving away 40%. Yes, you heard me right, 40% of the recurring subscription every month, but we're also going to retain people much longer, and they're going to use the software more because they understand how to use it, which makes us more money. And if you don't understand how people using the software more makes HighLevel more money, I'll explain that in just a minute. But essentially what Sean has said to me and many others is it's a complete no-brainer. Like, why wouldn't we have our customers turn around and sell something that they love instead of hiring people that don't even understand the software to go build this outbound sales team and they can sell it and we can pay them? Like, that doesn't make sense. And I don't know why more people don't just do this affiliate route. And it especially makes sense because HighLevel's been profitable since day one. They haven't raised money except to help them actually with the back end, not with sales and marketing and all that type of thing, to help with the development. And that was, a couple years in, not initially. And so having this sustainable way to grow is an absolute no-brainer. So now that we have most of those myths out of the way, I'll come back to the one about HighLevel affiliates being snakes here in a second. Let's talk about what the actual terms of the affiliate program are. There's two tiers to the affiliate program. The 40% tier, which I mentioned, those are tier 1 affiliates. So let's say you refer your brother-in-law who has a marketing agency and say, use my link. He signs up for the $4.97 plan. You're going to be earning $198.80 every single month that he pays HighLevel. And if he cancels, of course, your payout will also cancel. But there's also a tier 2, which is a 5% override from your affiliates referring other affiliates. So last month I did almost $50,000 in affiliate revenue from HighLevel, and the person who signed me up made 5% of that nearly $50,000. So while this isn't the main focus of the affiliate program, it can be very lucrative to find someone with a big audience, introduce them to HighLevel and just say, hey, you sign up with my link, I'll help you push this out, understand the software, get the affiliate marketing thing going, and then I'll just take 5%. It's actually automatic. You don't have to worry about anything else. By the way, if you're someone that wants to do that and you have a big audience and you need my help, I'm more than happy to partner with you on it. Just message me on Instagram and we can get it set up. Now, those are the 2 tiers, but of course there's more to this affiliate program. The first one is once you pass 30 affiliate subscribers, then you're able to set up a custom landing page with HighLevel that you can put whatever you want on. They have a default template where you can offer an exclusive 30-day trial, but you can also submit a new design to them where they'll approve it and update it, and you can talk about your bonuses or anything else that you're going to be offering people. Additionally, because HighLevel has 3 subscription tiers, you can actually get people to upgrade using your link and get the difference between what they were paying on their old plan and what they're paying on their new plan as your affiliate subscription. So small example here, let's say I sign up someone and they start on the $97 plan, but they meet you throughout the process and you're offering them a lot of value and saying, hey, I will do a done for you setup, or I have this course or whatever other bonus. All you need to do is upgrade to the $297 plan, which they were already planning on doing anyway, using my link, and I'll give you all this stuff for free. I will keep the 40% from the $97, but you will get 40% of the $200 difference between 97 and 297. The same goes for upgrades from 97 to 497 or 297 to 497. And I actually really like that HighLevel does this, because technically somebody could sign on with the 97 plan, get a bunch of bonuses, upgrade to the 297 plan under someone else, get even more bonuses, and then upgrade to the last 497 plan and get a bunch of bonuses there. So maximizing their chances of succeeding without actually having to pay for anything extra. And it makes it really nice for people who are trying to break into being a HighLevel affiliate. They don't have to go market to brand new people. They can market to people who already know what HighLevel is and are just looking for more help, and then get those upgrade subscriptions and slowly build that passive recurring revenue from it. And while we're on this topic, one thing that needs to be discussed is there is, according to HighLevel, no poaching when it comes to their affiliate program. So if I sign someone up and they're on a 97 plan, let's say, you can't say, hey, come over to me, get on my $97 plan, just use my link, and then I lose that subscription. Now, in practice, does this actually end up working? Sort of. If someone's been on the platform for a long time, they've built a bunch of stuff out on there, and they're not going to be transferring to a new account anytime soon, then the likelihood of them wanting to transfer all of their sub accounts to a brand new account is super low. And so they're pretty much locked in with the affiliate that they started with, which is how it should be, in my opinion, or the affiliates wouldn't be as motivated to promote the software. And while some people get frustrated that they're not getting a ton of value from their affiliate, let's say 6-12 months down the line, it's not really how affiliate marketing is designed to be anyway. The culture around HighLevel is a little insane because their affiliate program is so good that people expect so much from the people they sign up with as an affiliate that they feel entitled to certain help along the way because they know they're getting 40% of their subscription. But typically the way affiliate marketing works is there's not even bonuses or help or whatever else. You're literally just recommending products. People click the link, you get paid, and that's it. So there's no like contractual obligation for an affiliate to continue taking care of someone in a certain way forever. A lot of them do, and they do a great job. We try to in my community, I know that for sure. But if you're in that situation, don't be disappointed. It's just sort of how the cookie crumbles. Now, if you're brand new to HighLevel, let's say you signed up like 5 days ago, sometimes HighLevel support will let you switch affiliates depending on what bonuses you've already received from another affiliate. So let's say you signed up with myself. I've given you $8,000 worth of bonuses because you signed up on my 497 link. And then 5 days in, you say,
oh, actually, I meant to sign up on this other person's link and I actually want to switch to them.
It's up to HighLevel support whether or not they will honor that, but it is something that you can try while you're in your free trial period. However, after that, switching is not allowed. Some people get away with switching by signing up with another email, which I think is maybe against the terms of service, but they can't really police it. And technically, if you cancel your HighLevel account and you decide to come back 6 months later, you're a free agent, you can decide to sign up with whoever you want. Now, what's really cool as an affiliate is you can actually set up webhooks where if somebody signs up with your link on your page, you can receive those leads. So you can get abandoned cart leads, you can get completed cart leads, and deliver them your bonuses automatically, or deliver them a note that says, hey, I saw you tried to sign up, but you didn't finish. Is there anything I can help you with? Any questions I can answer? And you can increase the number of people that actually convert by setting those webhooks up. Now, all this talk brings me to the holy grail, the thing you've probably heard about, which is the Supercharged SAS program. Now, this is pretty awesome, and HighLevel has done a great job with it. Basically, if you get a certain number of SAS accounts, and that includes SAS upgrades from 97 or 297, then you qualify for a certain amount per month towards a fully electric vehicle. So if you have 50 active SAS accounts, you get $750 a month towards a vehicle. And if you get 75 active SAS accounts, you get $1,300 a month towards an electric vehicle. Now, I actually recently qualified for this, and I decided not to get the vehicle because basically if you ever drop below 75, which I don't plan on doing, but I could do at some point, they're not going to give you that money. And I just don't really need another car right now. So there's no point in me getting it and just sitting there parked on the street and me never using it. But there are plenty of people who have won this, actually gotten the car, are getting the payout every single month from HighLevel. HighLevel. And it's a really cool incentive for those who have pushed hard, really help promote the software, for them to congratulate them and give them a little bit of an extra bonus every month. What's really cool here is if you don't want a traditional electric vehicle, they sometimes will approve things like electric dirt bike or even electric golf carts, which is what my friend Rob Bailey got. And as if everything I've explained isn't enough, they also do monthly affiliate contests where they pay you extra money, like $750 sometimes, or send you cool things like this HighLevel neon sign you see behind me, just for making a short form or a long form video and submitting it for that month's contest. You don't have to drive a certain number of sales. You don't have to do anything special except actually make the video and submit it on their challenge page, which they will send to you when you sign up for the program. All right, I know that was a lot, but I want to give you some first steps when it comes to actually promoting HighLevel and what your options are. The cool thing about HighLevel's program is they're pretty much open to however you want to promote it. Paid ads, organic content, direct outreach, it doesn't matter. You can put your link wherever you want. And those are kind of the three main ways that I would go about it. First of all, paid ads. You can run Facebook ads to some sort of training where you help people get set up on HighLevel and then put your link there. Organic content, you can make YouTube videos just like this one or the other ones you see on my channel, talking about specific features of HighLevel and putting your link in the description. And for direct outreach, you could monitor Facebook groups or even cold email or cold DM people and say, hey, have you heard of HighLevel? I'd love to get you set up. It's really cool. If you sign up with my link, I get a little bit of a kickback. So in exchange for that, I'd love to help you get set up. My favorite of those three methods is definitely the organic content one because it's very asymmetric, where I can make a single video, I can get 100,000 views, I can get a bunch of signups, and I can get other people that buy more things from me, plus the YouTube revenue and all that type of thing. If you're looking for more personalized help on how to do this, you can join my paid community, the Dominators Guild. I'm helping a few other affiliates get established right now, and I'd love to have you in there. Just DM me the word guild on Instagram and we can talk about it. But before we close out today, I want to talk about this last topic, which is, are HighLevel affiliates just a bunch of snakes selling a business opportunity that's not real? Here's the thing. There's a spectrum. On one end, we have the hypey, you can start a business overnight and make millions of dollars type people. And on the other hand, you have people like me that are quite uncomfortable with the whole hype and start a business overnight type marketing. So tend to just provide more value and hope that people come through and say thank you because of the value. Now on this end, are there people out there that are saying things that they probably shouldn't say? Yes. And is HighLevel trying to crack down on that? Yes. Does that make them a snake? I would say a little bit, but maybe not completely. I know from experience that I signed up with somebody who was very, very hypey when it came to marketing, promised something and didn't have a very good product at the end of the day. But I'm actually really glad I paid for that person's course, because even though it wasn't finished and it wasn't that good and the product they had was subpar, it got me started into the game. And so there's something to be said for these people that are just getting it out in front of as many people as possible. Now, I think their retention is going to be a lot lower. There's going to be churn, but there's also just like the random super awesome affiliate that never talks to you, just signs up and gets awesome results because of you promoting it and doesn't expect anything in return. And you increase your likelihood of being exposed to those types of people the more viral you go. What I notice is I get a lot of people who a few days into their journey will come to me and say,
hey, I just found your YouTube video when I was trying to figure out how to work HighLevel, and I really wish I didn't sign up with this other person because you're providing so much more value and I'd love to learn from you. Your YouTube video was awesome.
And I would much rather be that person who's really helping people than the person who's just talking about the opportunity and not really giving a ton of help. I'm not calling out anyone specifically here. I think we all can improve as affiliates and not promise insane things while also having good affiliate bonuses and products to give away. But everyone's got their own style, and there's definitely enough affiliate juice to go around to everybody. Even if everyone is just earning an extra $1,000 a month, that would be awesome, life-changing, cover their HighLevel subscription, and that would be absolutely awesome. All right, with that out of the way, I have one more thing I need to tell you. I promise you it's really important, and I promised I would say it earlier in the video, but I forgot to say it until now, and that is, how is this sustainable? How can HighLevel give away 45% of its revenue every single month and stay profitable long term? The answer is something called blade revenue. Every time you or I send a text, HighLevel makes a little bit of money. Every time you or I send an email in HighLevel, HighLevel makes a little bit of money. And that's because they're such big vendors that they get discounts from companies like Mailgun that powers their emails and Twilio, which powers their texts. And then they just give it to us at a little bit lower than market rate. So they're giving us a discount, which is amazing, but they make a little bit on that spread. And that's how they can offer an unlimited SaaS plan on $497. Somebody brings in 100 SaaS accounts, and all of those SaaS accounts are, let's say, spending $30 a month in text and email credits. HighLevel's making an extra, let's call it $5 per sub account per month. You can see how that adds up across tens of thousands of small businesses using the platform. And that, my friends, is the genius behind the affiliate program, because they don't offer affiliate revenue based on usage, just based on the subscriptions. So they're insanely profitable on the back end, especially as their affiliates help their affiliates make more money with the software. Use it more, get more customers, all that good stuff. So did you learn something today? Did you not learn something today? Let me know by clicking my my affiliate link below. In all seriousness, there's $8,000 worth of bonuses there. Tons of people have gotten a lot of value from it. And we have a community with ongoing support and calls with myself. So make sure to check that out. All the details on what's included is in another link below. So click either of those and you'll get the info. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.